United States has the most powerful army in the world. With 2,925,000 soldiers, 1,600 ships, 2,700 aircraft, and much more, they dominate the battlefield without question. But what are the best military vehicles of the best army in the world? In this video, we'll find out together, exploring the top 10 most powerful military vehicles in the U.S. Army. This list will focus only on land vehicles, including tanks, trucks, personnel carriers, and many others. We'll include drones, aircraft, fighter jets, and warships in our future videos. But before we start this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel. Thanks for your support, and now let's dive deep into the fascinating world of military machines, starting with the first vehicle on our list. Number 10. Cougar MRAP. The Cougar Mine-Resistant Ambush Protected is a modern American armored personnel carrier designed to protect soldiers in combat zones like Afghanistan and Iraq. Developed by Force Protection Industries, the Cougar entered production in 2002 and remains in service today. It comes in two main versions, the 4x4 and the 6x6. The 4x4 version measures about 19.3 feet in length, 9 feet in width, and 8.7 feet in height, while the 6x6 version is approximately 23.3 feet long, with similar height and width. Both variants are powered by a single Caterpillar C7 engine, delivering 330 horsepower. The 4x4 Cougar can reach speeds up to 65 miles per hour, while the 6x6 version is slightly slower. Designed with a V-shaped hull to deflect blasts from mines and improvised explosive devices, the Cougar MRAP significantly enhances crew survivability, capable of withstanding explosions equivalent to 30 pounds of TNT. Number 9. Oshkosh M-ATV. The Oshkosh Mine-Resistant Ambush Protected All-Terrain Vehicle was developed by Oshkosh Corporation for the MRAP All-Terrain Vehicle Program. It was designed to replace the M1A2 HIMARS, commonly known as the Humvee, by providing the same level of protection as the larger, heavier MRAPs, but with enhanced mobility. This makes it particularly suited for off-road and rugged terrains encountered in combat zones like Afghanistan and Iraq. The M-ATV combines advanced armor in a V-shaped hull to protect against IEDs and mines, while its independent suspension system allows it to navigate difficult landscapes effectively. The vehicle is powered by a 370 horsepower Caterpillar C7 engine, allowing it to reach speeds up to 65 miles per hour. The Oshkosh M-ATV represents a significant advancement in military vehicle technology, ensuring both high survivability and operational versatility. Number 8. Oshkosh FMTV. The Oshkosh family of medium tactical vehicles is a versatile series of military vehicles based on a common chassis, tailored to different payloads and mission requirements. Originally derived from the Austrian Steyr 12M18 truck, the FMTV has been significantly modified to meet U.S. Army standards, including a requirement for at least 50% U.S. content. Initially, there were 17 variants, 4 in the 2.5-ton payload class, known as the Light Medium Tactical Vehicle, and 13 in the 5-ton payload class, called the Medium Tactical Vehicle. Fielded since January 1996, the FMTV family has seen substantial expansion and enhancements. These vehicles were initially manufactured by Stewart & Stevenson, followed by Armor Holdings, then BAE Systems Platforms and Services, and since 2011 by Oshkosh Corporation. Number 7. M1126 Stryker ICV. The M1126 infantry carrier vehicle is an 8-wheeled armored vehicle derived from the Canadian LAV-3 and produced by General Dynamics Land Systems for the U.S. Army. It features a versatile drive system, operating in either 4-wheel drive or full all-wheel drive configurations. The Stryker ICV is designed to provide a combination of mobility, protection, and firepower, making it suitable for rapid deployment in various combat scenarios. It offers enhanced survivability and the ability to transport infantry in protected conditions, contributing significantly to the operational effectiveness of modern armored forces. Number 6. Oshkosh M1A2. The Oshkosh M1A2 is a heavy equipment transporter used by the U.S. Army primarily to transport the M1 Abrams tank. It comes in several configurations, including the A0, A1, and M300 versions. The M1A2 is paired with a DRS Technologies M1000 semi-trailer for moving tanks, while the M300 variant, designed for U.S. Army Europe, operates with a different trailer to meet European road regulations. In addition to its main role of tank transport, the M1A2 is versatile enough to move a variety of heavy military equipment, such as armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, and armored bulldozers. It has replaced the older Oshkosh M911 tractor unit and M747 semi-trailer. Export versions of the M1A2, including the A0 and A1, are available, and there are also advanced derivatives like the M1A2F and Global HET. Number 5. M1A7 Paladin. The M1A7 Paladin is an advanced version of the M109, an American self-propelled howitzer first introduced in the early 1960s to replace the M44. This 155mm turreted artillery piece has been updated multiple times, with the M109A7 being the latest variant. It is the most widely used Western indirect fire support weapon in maneuver brigades of armored and mechanized infantry divisions. The M109A7 is operated by a crew of 4. The section chief or commander, the driver, the gunner, and the ammunition handler or loader. The chief or gunner is responsible for aiming the cannon both horizontally and vertically. The British Army replaced its M109s with the AS-90, while several European nations are transitioning to the German PZH 2000. Despite various upgrades, including those by Switzerland, the M1A6 is expected to remain the primary self-propelled howitzer for the U.S. Army until a new replacement system is introduced. Number 4. JLTV. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle is a versatile family of vehicles developed for both the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. Designed to replace the aging Humvee fleet, the JLTV provides a range of mission capabilities while offering enhanced protection, mobility, and network connectivity. It includes companion trailers for increased utility and flexibility. The JLTV emphasizes mobility, reliability, and maintainability within specific weight limits to ensure effective transport to and from the battlefield. It features scalable armor solutions that allow for adjustable protection levels without compromising its load-carrying capacity. The design prioritizes common components and maintenance procedures across different variants, which helps to reduce overall ownership costs. Balancing critical factors such as weight, transportability, performance, protection, and payload, the JLTV aims to deliver a cost-effective solution that meets the needs of both the Army and Marine Corps. Number 3. M142 HIMARS. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System is a lightweight multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the U.S. Army. It is mounted on a standard 5-ton M1140 truck chassis from the family of medium tactical vehicles. HIMARS can carry either a pod of 6 rockets or a single MGM-140 ATAS-EMS missile. It is designed to launch the entire range of munitions compatible with the multiple launch rocket system, although it can only carry 1 pod at a time. Unlike the M270 and M70A1 variants, which carry 2 pods, the system is air transportable via a C-130 aircraft, allowing for rapid deployment. Initially, the truck chassis was produced by BAE Systems Mobility and Protection Systems, but Oshkosh Corporation took over production in 2010. Since 2017, both the chassis and the launcher system have been manufactured by Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control in Camden, Arkansas. Number 2. M1A2 Abrams SEP-VR3. The M1A2 Abrams System Enhancement Package, version 3, is an advanced iteration of the M1A2 Abrams main battle tank, incorporating several significant upgrades. Introduced in October 2015, this version enhances survivability, maintainability, efficiency, and network capabilities compared to its predecessors. Designed to provide mobile and protected firepower, the M1A2 SEP-V3 excels in combined arms maneuver and wide-area security missions. It ensures the ability to engage enemies effectively under all conditions, day or night, and in various weather scenarios on complex, non-linear battlefields. The tank utilizes improved firepower, maneuverability, and shock effect to dominate the battlefield. The M1A2 SCP-V3 was first showcased at the AUSA Defense Exhibition in Washington, D.C., with prototypes tested by the U.S. Army. This tank continues to be a crucial asset in U.S. military operations, integrating cutting-edge technology and robust capabilities to meet modern combat demands. Number 1. Bradley M2A3. The M2A3 infantry fighting vehicle represents the latest enhancement of the Bradley M2A2, evolving from its initial production in 1981 to meet modern battlefield demands. The M2A3 introduces significant upgrades in lethality, mobility, survivability, and sustainability. Key improvements include advanced situational awareness systems and enhanced digital command and control capabilities. The U.S. Army began developing the M2A3 in March 1994 under a contract with United Defense Limited Partnership. By June 1997, the Army approved the first prototypes, and low-rate production commenced in July 1997. The Bradley M2A3 entered service in April 2000, with full-rate production approved in May 2001. Approximately 1,602 Bradley A2s were remanufactured into A3s, including variants for fire support and air defense. As we conclude our exploration, we hope you've been inspired by the power of these true masterpieces. Which vehicle impressed you the most? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and always stay curious.